Our customers can make vacuuming more efficient using a couple different methods, a couple different tools. The problem with vacuuming is you get dirt and clutter that gets embedded into the carpet and the upholstery of the car. Typically, if you have a small dog, like a little Chiweenie dog or something like that with little small hairs, that hair gets stuck in the carpet. And so you have to kind of pull that stuff out to the surface before you can vacuum it up. So they make some tools that you can use. You can get at Walmart, PetSmart, a lot of different places. They're little rubber brushes that have rubber bristles. Just rub that across the upholstery. And then as you're doing it, keep the vacuum in one hand, and you're going to be basically brushing that clutter out from the upholstery and the carpet into the vacuum. Same thing for the floorboards. You get just stuff that's embedded into the carpet, and for the floorboards, you would use a hard bristled brush, and basically go around, brush everything around in the corners, get it to the middle, and vacuum it up. And that's how you can make it more efficient. Now, if you don't have access to those things, one thing you can do is get a kitchen towel, make it damp, not soaking wet, and it does the same thing. It helps pull all the stuff that's embedded into the carpet and the upholstery out to the middle, and you can vacuum it up. So that's one way that you can make vacuuming more efficient using Breeze Thru Car Wash.